Hi friends, welcome to Taste with Us. Today we are going to make mutton chili fry. In this method we can make delicious and juicy mutton without adding a lot of spices. Let's see how to make this recipe. Please don't forget to subscribe. In a cooker, add 3 tablespoons of gingerly oil. When the oil is hot, add 300 grams of mutton, salt. Saute the mutton until its color changes. Add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 chopped green chilli. Saute. Half cup of water. Cook for 5 whistles. In a pan, add 2 teaspoons of gingerly oil. When the oil is hot, add 3 chopped green chilli, 200 grams of shallots, salt. Saute until shallots are 50% cooked. Add the boiled mutton. Cover and cook for 10 minutes in the low flame. Add 1 inch of chopped ginger. Add coriander leaves. Delicious mutton chili fry is ready. Give this recipe a try. If you like this recipe, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Taste with Us.